Just when we thought the legendary Pagani Zonda had taken its final bow, it rises again. This time as a breathtaking multi-million-dollar one-off masterpiece. Despite being officially replaced not once, but twice, first by the Huayra and then by the Utopia, the Zonda continues to live on through Pagani's bespoke Unico division, and this latest creation is pure automotive art. The original Zonda hit the roads in 1999. Fast forward 26 years, and Pagani is still honoring this iconic supercar by restoring and customizing existing models into rare, ultra-exclusive editions. This particular model, Zonda Roadster, pays tribute to the Kunlun Mountains in China, chosen as a personal homage by its owner. Crafted entirely from exposed blue carbon fiber, the Zonda Kunlun is a true visual stunner. It's part of the 760 series, which means it shares styling cues like the aggressive carbon fiber hood vents and signature white racing stripes. The car rides on black wheels with striking blue center caps, reinforcing its unique identity. But the upgrades don't stop at aesthetics. Aerodynamics take center stage with a towering rear wing, a carbon fiber shark fin, and a dual wing setup at the rear. Add to that a dramatic carbon fiber diffuser and custom blue-tip tailpipes, and you've got a machine that looks as fast as it is rare. Under the hood, Pagani hasn't shared details, but it's widely believed this Zonda houses the same AMG source 7.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 from the 760 series. That means 760 horsepower and a soundtrack that only a hand-built Italian V12 can deliver. Transmission? Unknown, but both manual and automated manual options have appeared in past models. And the price? While Pagani hasn't revealed the cost of this one-off build, recent similar creations have fetched upwards of $10 million. For one lucky owner, this isn't just a car. It's a piece of automotive history, reborn in carbon fiber and speed. In a world of fast-changing automotive tech and electric innovation, the Zonda refuses to die, standing as a symbol of raw performance, timeless design, and bespoke craftsmanship.